How to permanently delete your Facebook account. If you want to get your account deleted forever, you just found the perfect tutorial, let me tell you that. You have also to keep in mind that your account will be deleted after a 30-day period of time. If you don't access your account in this short period of time, then your account will be deleted forever and permanently. So just do not access it in this 30-day period of time, and after that your account will be deleted forever. As a matter of fact, if you also want to deactivate your Instagram account, TikTok or X account, the tutorials should pop up on the screen right at the end of this video, and you also have the links in the description of this video. Now let's start it, and I will guide you through the settings of the Facebook app. I will just open it right away. Once you'll be on the newsfeed page, you have to locate the menu from the bottom right corner, when for Android users is located in the top right corner, and I will place a screenshot on the screen right now to help you. Once you are in the menu, scroll until you will find the settings and privacy. Now let's go inside the settings again. Don't scroll anymore because you will get lost in all the settings. Let's get back where we were, and in the upper side you should locate Meta, Account Center, Verification, Add Preferences. However, press on See More in Account Settings. Here you should see your profiles of Instagram and Facebook together under Profiles, but scroll down and under Account Settings you should see Password and Security, Personal Details. I will press on the second one on Personal Details, Contact Information, Birthday, Identity Confirmation. However, underneath is Account Ownership and Control. Press on it, and the second one is deactivation or deletion. Select the profile you want to delete forever. In my case, I want to permanently delete my Facebook account, so I will just select the first one, and they ask you what you want to do with it. If you want to deactivate and delete it, they will ask the same question again. I will press on delete account, press on continue, and you have to keep that in mind. If you delete your account, you will also delete the pages and the groups that you have created, unless you transfer the ownership of them to somebody else. And if you do not transfer the ownership to somebody else, when your account will be deleted, also the pages and the groups that you have created, they will be deleted with your account together. I will press on continue because I don't care much about the groups and pages that I have created, and just select a reason. I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe. However, no, it's not the case. In my case, I no longer find Facebook useful. I will just select that and press on continue. Yes, continue. Scroll down, and here they allow you to select continue again, and if you type your password now, you will permanently delete your Facebook account. Guys, I really hope I help you to delete your Facebook account forever. As I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, and as always, a comment will be much helpful. Bye bye.